Okay, we're going to go into Ask Scruff, and I'm going to answer a question for Greg, and it's a salute for you, and it's probably not the answer he's going to be looking for. Now, if I flick this over, this is the question. All right, from the Zoom last night, watch it again. I used fibs in different ways. I use them the same way all the time. It's always either a retracement or an extension, and then there's fibs inside of fibs, but they are still related to the same sort of move criteria. You use the fibs for finding extensions on turning points. It's exactly what an extension is. A key turning point is 127, 161, and then it'll push through to 261. They are key turning points, as is 0, 23.6, 38.2. They are all turning points. It's just the ratio. The key point is how to find a top and a bottom. Now, there's also, when I say fibs inside of fibs, markets oscillate like this. So you've got to be able to pick peaks and troughs. No video can teach you that. It's only experience and eye shots. Okay. Now, as we go through, I use them to find the box of pain. Box of pain can be anywhere you like. I just prefer to use the extensions. Again, it's something that's shown all the time. And the box of pain is always behind a level, behind a swing, and then I just measure it out so that I work on one-on-one. But that's my criteria. You might want 1 in 3, you might want inverse. I prefer one-on-one. So that's where that comes from. Looked at 2 videos of Where the Scruff. They cover some of this listed above, but not all of it. Roadmap to the fib tells you what the fibs are. Fib triggers tell you what the fibs are. Thanks very much. And as you go through it, it's to give you the framework to then take it into a live chart. And the only thing that's missing from Where the Scruff is experience. Now, experience can't be put into a video. And it's got here, you feel it's a skill that needs to be honed. Can I point to other books, fibs, or recommend a Fibonacci trace and how to master time and advances? Okay. Right. Sometimes the search for more information is working against you. It genuinely is. Now, I've said many times about what Ask Scruff's all about. Ask Scruff is all about just basic quick questions. If you're looking for in-depth explanations or breakdowns, just drop it in bulls and bears, tag me in, I'll pick it up, I'll break it down. The idea of the Zoom calls and etc. is for this scenario. So if you go through the Zoom calls, there's hundreds of them, hundreds of examples, but the basis is always the same. It's a case of find a high, find a low, draw your fib in. That'll give you your clear dimensions, and then you've got your expansions. Now, inside of them, if you know there are turning points, then you can look to use a fib to help you read a chart. Everything is about reading charts. There is no quick fix. There is no magic pill. And that's it, really. Where the Scruff will give you all the grounding you need, but won't give you experience. Only a live chart can do that. And no video can replicate a live chart. It can only show you a perfect scenario, which is why when we do the Zoom calls, I read it as I see it, because I've seen it 1,000 times. So, like I say, it's not an answer to a question that I think you would want, and you might even take it the wrong way. But I can give you everything, but I can't give you experience. And when it comes to fibs, it's just practice. But I don't trade them any different than any other way. So, hope that helps. Catch you soon.